the tools and materials that we need to make a straight-through cable. 1.5 meters UTP cable, crimping tool, wire stripper, land tester, and of course the RJ45. Strip the cable jacket using wire stripper about 1.5 inch down from the end. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. Trivia time. Did you know that there are 2 types of wiring into 80 UTP cable? The 568A and the 568B. In our case, we are going to use 568B because this is the most commonly used in our industry today. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart and twist the wire pairs. Neatly align the untwisted pairs. The arrangement of colors should be white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. Cut the wire as straight as possible. Carefully insert the wires all the way to the modular connector. Push the connector inside the crimping tool. Squeeze the crimping tool all the way down until the wires are locked. Repeat the previous steps for the other end of the cable. To make sure our cable is working, use a cable tester to test each pin. All numbers should light up in a synchronous manner. And there you have it, you have a straight-through cable. Open CMD. Type ipconfig. Your IP address is here on default gateway. Open your Chrome. Type in your IP address or your default gateway. Here we can see that our IP address is dynamic. Enter the Wi-Fi name. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Click OK. Select User Management. Here we can see the devices connected on our Wi-Fi. Select Administration. Type in your new password. Click OK. Log in using your new password. Select Administration. Change the 0 in LAN IP address to 8. Change the end of your IP address to 110. Click OK. Go back to CMD. Before, our default gateway ends with 0.1. Type in ipconfig. Now our IP address ends with 8.1. In Chrome, search for speed test. In Chrome, search for speed test.
In this video, we're creating static address. First, press Win plus R and type CMD and press Enter. In CMD, type ipconfig and press Enter. After you press Enter, it will show your default gateway and your current IP address. Right-click in the network indicator and select Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings in your left side and right-click in your local area connection. Uncheck or unselect the Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4 and right-click and click Properties. Next, select Use the following IP address and input your desired IP address in IP address box. For me, I choose 192.168.8.105. Subnet mask is automatically will be filled for you, so you don't have to worry about it. Next, in default gateway, you just enter your router default gateway. Example 192.168.8.1. In prepared DNS server, just enter your default gateway. After you fill the information needed, click OK and close. Right-click in your local area connection and click Disable. And click right-click again and click Enable. This process will allow us to refresh our internet connection and our IP address. Once again, open your CMD and type ipconfig and press Enter. You will see that our IP address is changed from 192.168.8.100 into 192.168.8.105. Now we are going to test our network. Type PING or ping and space your IP address and press Enter. If you see 0% of loss in your screen, congrats, your connection is strong. In client, open CMD and type PING or ping. And type your client IP address. If you see 0% of loss in your screen, congrats, your connection is strong.
In our PC client, we are going to ping our PC server.
Type in ping, then the IP of the server in order to ping our server. If it's 0% loss, then it is stable.